Okay, so here is enhancement 6. If I click on my account and log in, I am taken to my admin page where it lists my name and my email address. If I click over here and just double check, my CSS is good. And, oh, just kidding. My HTML is also valid. I have, as you can see, I have the log out option up here. If I could log out, it takes me back to the home page. Click on my account again and log in one more time. And because the client level is higher, my vehicle management link pops up. And if I click on it, it takes me to my manage vehicles, my vehicle management page. Reload it real quick. The only thing that is not showing up for me is the welcome message up here. I have it in my code, but it's not showing up. And then of course, if I click on log out again, it takes me right back to the home page where I can click my account to log back in.